Hey everyone, another Lick Friday for you, and this one is pretty much like the other ones in the sense it uses pentatonic with a little bit of natural minor and a blues scale, and it's a wicked pattern to get used to. So you can put this over pretty much any pentatonic shape and just apply this technique as a reoccurring formation through that scale, and it sounds good. A lot of players use this, so you're not going to go far wrong. But here comes that lick. So that was it. It's straightforward. If you did like it, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button for all future notifications, visiting the website dansguitar.com for the free tab, and the jamming track is on patreon.com/Dan's page. You will find everything on there. There's loads of jamming tracks. Massive thanks to everyone that's on there already, and it paves the way for this channel to do what it does. That's pretty much all I need to say, isn't it? Yep, I think it is. So there we are. That's it. Let's get on with the breakdown straight away. Once again, we're using shape 1 quite a lot actually, but who cares? They sound good, right? So we'll start with the hammer on the A string, fret 10 to 12, to fret 10 on the D, and then you're going to be picking the 12th fret, pulling off back to the 10. And then to the 12 on the A. So those 6 notes should sound like that. Try and get it nice and smooth if you can. If you can't, then pick your way through it like that, up to you. And then the next set of notes, starting on the 3rd string, 10th fret, 12, pull off to 10 on the 4th string, the D string. Then you're going straight to the 12th fret on the G, pulling off to 10, to the 12th fret on that D. So you're kind of inverting the shape as you go through this pentatonic. Great repeating pattern if you can get used to it, and it applies over many things. Then we've got 10 on the 2nd string, 12, 10, pull off 3rd string, so it should sound like this. And because of the shape of the pentatonic, we're going to the 13th fret on that 2nd string, pulling off to fret 10, to 12 on the G on that 3rd, and then inverting that shape again, but starting on the 10th fret, and then 13, 10, pull off on that 2nd string, a semitone bend from the 12th fret onto up to the pitch of the F, basically, so that's E to F bend. You hold that there for what would be a quarter beat, and then you're on the last half of the first beat on the last half of the first beat on the 2nd bar. There we go. That was easy for me to say. You're coming back down with that 12, giving it some vibrato. Then I bring the little finger across to go 13, 10, pull off 2nd string, and then it's the cliche lick. Here we go. It goes 12 fret bend, 10 on the 2nd, 10 on the 1st, 13, 10, pull off 2nd string, and then run down the blues scale, which is 13, 12, 10, 3rd string, 12, 10 on the D with a 13th fret bend on that 2nd string. So you're skipping the 3rd string out and going straight to the 2nd string. Full tone bend and vibrato. So that's your lick. I'll play it slow for you. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and so it's nice with that change of kind of, I guess, rhythms or note values on this, in the sense of using the 16th note 6 tuplets going through that first bar all the way through. Great pattern to get used to, and then your 8th notes and just standard 16th notes to finish with. Really nice. Enjoy it. I'm back to me. Nice. Breakdown done. Yeah, what can I say? Great lick, easy lick in a sense, and really effective, fluent, smooth, just got everything that you would like from a kind of slow blues emotional lick in many ways. I'm sure some would disagree. If you do, put a comment below and tell me why. But if you don't, put a comment below and tell me how much you like it. Yeah. So that's it. I will leave you with the thought of, please become a patron. It supports the channel. If you don't, just subscribe to this channel. It supports the channel. Give us a thumbs up, a like, and share it on all your social media. And maybe go and visit the shop on my website, dansguitar.com, where you can find your free tabs and you can get t-shirts as well. Yes, I haven't got one on today because they're in the wash. But that's it. I shall see you next week with another lick. Nice one, everyone. Laters.